हेलो एंड वेलकम टू लेगेसी आईएएस एकेडमी। तो आज के इस वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट इंडिया बांग्लादेश रिलेशनशिप। ठीक है, अब इंडिया बांग्लादेश रिलेशनशिप हैज ऑलवेज बीन इन न्यूज फ्रॉम पास्ट एटलीस्ट सिंस द टाइम शेख हसीना गवर्नमेंट वाज आउस्टेड फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश। तो तब से इंडिया हैज बीन वेरी कॉशियस। पॉइंट नंबर वन, वी हैव बीन वेरी कॉशियस विद आवर रिलेशनशिप विद बांग्लादेश एंड बांग्लादेश बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स एंगेजमेंट विद चाइना एंड पाकिस्तान। तो ये हमेशा से न्यूज में चल रहा है। बांग्लादेश हैज बिकम आई वुड से हॉट टॉपिक फॉर करंट अफेयर्स। ठीक है, इसलिए भी इंडियाज रिलेशनशिप विद बांग्लादेश बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। प्लस सेकेंडली, very recently there has been exchange of words between S Jaishankar and the foreign minister of interim government in Bangladesh. ठीक है, तो when they were meeting at Oman, so they were talking ki S Jaishankar was stating, he had stated that he has basically cautioned Bangladesh. He has stated ki we have had a very good long relationship with Bangladesh since 1971. More or less the first country to recognize Bangladesh as the country itself has been India. ठीक है, तो हमारा रिश्ता इतना पुराना है. Now one day you get up and start blaming for whatever be the domestic conditions in your country, and then on the other hand on the same day you keep continuing to say that you want to have a healthy relationship. ये दो sided coin will not work. ठीक है, so S Jaishankar, our foreign minister, has stated that you need to make up your mind in which direction you want to grow the relationship of India and Bangladesh. Bangladesh wants what kind of relationship with India? इसके लिए you need to be decisive about the fact. And his strongest objections is regarding this kind of faces that are being shown by Bangladesh. Bangladesh एक तरफ से तो ये भी बोल रहा है कि whatever be the domestic problems, it is majorly because of India. And secondly, see the Bangladesh response. To Jaishankar's statement, Bangladesh response has been कि we want to continue the relationship based on mutual understanding. They are stating that we want to improve the relationship, but they are also stating this कि अभी जो भी बांग्लादेश में problem है, that is because of India. ठीक है, there is no ambiguity. They are saying that हमें कोई confusion नहीं है कि हमारा relationship इंडिया के साथ कैसा होना चाहिए. It should be based on mutual understanding. ठीक है, but Bangladesh has also categorically spoken about this कि Bangladeshi minority issue is not a concern for India. They have also responded by giving an analogy कि just the way India की minority का issue इंडिया के बाहर किसी और country के लिए important नहीं है, just like that बांग्लादेश के भी minority का issue बांग्लादेश के बाहर किसी और country के लिए नहीं है. Now, this is a very ideal statement to speak. At least for Bangladesh, it is a very ideal statement because Bangladeshi minorities have entered India. और ये आज की बात नहीं है. It has taken place every year. Bangladesh was disturbed. Every year there was political turmoil in Bangladesh. India has witnessed refuge crisis in India's northeast because of the minorities in Bangladesh, ठीक है, which have entered into India. तो इसका मतलब बांग्लादेश cannot state कि their minority issue is their issue and India should not be concerned about it. India has to have concern about all of this issue. ठीक है, so why was this exchange of words taking place is because point number one, very important minority issue कि India Hindu minority in Bangladesh have faced I would say atrocities by the Bangladeshi population currently. ठीक है, since after Sheikh Hasina's government was ousted from Bangladesh, the Hindu minorities in Bangladesh have faced immense amount of atrocities and that is a point of concern for India. ठीक है, second, if we try to understand कि किस conditions में ये exchange of words हुए, तो second condition was Bangladesh's growing relations with Pakistan, and this was also one of the objections that was raised by S Jaishankar, our foreign minister, stating कि now Bangladesh has started turning out to be the breeding ground of terrorism because of your greater engagements with Pakistan. ठीक है, similarly Bangladesh is now also engaging with China. That is another major concern for India क्योंकि Bangladesh some time back was also part of string of pearls policy का part रह चुका है बांग्लादेश. ठीक है, so the Chittagong port is being developed by China और China at least has shown its presence in Bangladesh. ठीक है, so under all of this और जो कि अभी because of the ousting of her government, Sheikh Hasina's government and the current interim government's alignment with China, this is what we are trying to see currently कि इनका relationship पाकिस्तान के साथ improve कर रहा है, इनका रिलेशनशिप चाइना के साथ इंप्रूव कर रहा है. सो बेसिकली इंडियाज एनिमीज के साथ हमारे एक बहुत अच्छे पुराने पड़ोसी का रिलेशनशिप इंप्रूव करते चला जा रहा है. सो दैट आई वुड से वुड बी द वार्निंग साइंस फॉर इंडिया. अब इससे क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा? व्हाई आर वी वरिड अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दीज सिचुएशंस, और व्हाई आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट कि बांग्लादेश में क्या भी जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स चल रहे हैं इससे इंडिया पे क्या रिपरकशंस होंगे? ठीक है, फर्स्ट इज थ्रेटनिंग. देयर आर चांसेस कि हमारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में इंसर्जेंसी को फ्यूएलिंग किया जाएगा, मतलब इट विल बी फंडेड. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में इंसर्जेंसी माइट बी फंडेड बिकॉज ऑलरेडी चाइना इज डूइंग दिस. चाइना इज हेल्पिंग म्यांमार टू डू दिस and now both these countries together will help Bangladesh also to do this. ठीक है, तो इंसर्जेंसी को प्रमोट किया जाएगा हमारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में, क्योंकि बांग्लादेश हैज अ लार्ज बाउंड्री विथ इंडियाज नॉर्थ ईस्ट. इनफैक्ट इंडिया को अपने नॉर्थ ईस्ट में पहुंचने के लिए भी बांग्लादेश से थोड़ा नॉर्थ एक पोर्शन ऑफ इंडिया विच इज द चिकन स्नैक कॉरिडोर, उसको क्रॉस करके जाना होता है. So Bangladesh has a greater, I would say, geographical impact, geographical boundary as compared to the mainland India itself. ठीक है, तो अगर बांग्लादेश में कोई डिस्टर्बेंसेस होते हैं यहाँ या फिर यहाँ पे टेररिज्म का सपोर्ट बढ़ जाता है, इंसर्जेंसी का प्रेजेंस बढ़ जाता है, सो इट इज गोइंग टू डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट इंडियाज नॉर्थ ईस्ट. ठीक है, पॉइंट नंबर 2, द सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट चैलेंज विल बी द रिफ्यूज क्राइसिस. ठीक है, as we discussed, minorities in that country are facing atrocities, so there are chances that these refugees will come to India. ठीक है, थर्ड इज इन्वेस्टमेंट्स इन बांग्लादेश. हमारा बांग्लादेश में बहुत सारा इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हो चुका है करंटली. एक है अगरतला टू अखौरा रेल लिंक. We will see about these infrastructural investments, but there are investments. इंडिया का इन्वेस्टमेंट बांग्लादेश में बहुत ज्यादा है. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को तो फिर भी हम लोग बाद में देख सकते हैं, बट वी शुड ऑल्सो नो कि हमारे बहुत सारे लोग, देयर आर सो मेनी इंडियंस हु आर वर्किंग इन बांग्लादेश. ठीक है, सो अगर ये देखा जाए कि बांग्लादेश से कहाँ सबसे ज्यादा रेमिटेंसेस जा रहे हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो इंडिया. maximum amount of Bangladesh, say whatever remittances are moving out of Bangladesh, it is coming to India. ठीक है, secondly India is also the largest FDI investor to Bangladesh. ये सारे investments currently are at risk because of India's soured relationship with Bangladesh. ठीक है, next is jeopardizing of bilateral relationship and FTA, free trade agreement. ठीक है, जैसा भी हमारा bilateral relationship रहा है, it has been happy and healthy because of external influences, because of China interfering in Bangladesh, because of Pakistan interfering in Bangladesh, or because of any India's enemy interfering in Bangladesh. This bilateral relationship and this bilateral relationship in future was turning out to be a good economic relationship by signing of the free trade agreement. ठीक है, तो ये सारा चीज अभी रिस्क पे चला जा रहा है. प्लस द जियोपॉलिटिकल चैलेंजेस एज वी डिस्कस, चाइना और पाकिस्तान का प्रेजेंस एंड ड्रग स्मगलिंग एंड ट्रैफिकिंग. We know currently Myanmar is the largest producer of opium in the world. ठीक है, तो म्यांमार में ड्रग्स बढ़ेंगे, बांग्लादेश डिस्टर्ब रहेगा, तो इट विल अलाउ इजी फ्लो ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ ड्रग्स फ्रॉम म्यांमार टू इंडिया. ठीक है, प्लस देयर आर सर्टेन रीजन्स ऑफ बांग्लादेश which touches Myanmar, very well known for I would say very hugely infamous for human trafficking. ठीक है, so drugs और human trafficking ये दोनों भी बढ़ जाएंगे and this can create disturbances in India's northeast. ठीक है, so these are certain challenges, but अगर बांग्लादेश का सिग्निफिकेंस देखा जाए तो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सिग्निफिकेंस ये है कि हमारा एक पार्ट ऑफ द बॉर्डर वाज वेरी वेरी सेफ बिकॉज ऑफ इंडियाज हिस्टोरिकली गुड रिलेशनशिप विद बांग्लादेश. 1971 में because we helped Bangladesh to get independence, so since then our relationship with Bangladesh has been very healthy. ठीक है, अब because of external influences or because of whatever be the, मतलब let's say शेख हसीना की गवर्नमेंट की भी गलती थी कि she was trying to pass a bill, that was the problem, or maybe lack of democracy within the political party, that was the problem, whatever be the problem, but ये एक लंबा सा पुराना रिश्ता है जो टूट रहा है. ठीक है, it is breaking apart. ठीक है, so talking about the economic significance of Bangladesh, we definitely have a cultural significance क्योंकि हमारे cultures बहुत ज़्यादा similar हैं in terms of Urdu and in terms of Bengali culture also it is very very similar. ठीक है, but economic influence of Bangladesh is also very high because as we discussed FDI में Bangladesh gets maximum amount of FDI from India. ठीक है, India gets huge amount of remittances from Bangladesh. So there are economic relationships between India and Bangladesh. ठीक है? We have international cooperation. For example, both the countries are engaged in various groupings. India, Bangladesh are part of BIMSTEC, are part of BBIN, are part of SARC. So there are so many groupings to which both these countries are party to. और ये सारे relationship में we have some kind of infrastructural support, cultural cooperation, technical cooperation, economic cooperation, or for example, because we are a subcontinent, we have a common culture and we can promote this culture uniquely. For example, both these countries are also part of Indian Ocean Rim Association. तो ये सारे relationships जो है ना अभी jeopardize हो जाएंगे. We don't know what is the future of this relationship. ठीक है? Then we have the problem of porous borders and border huts. तो अब तक ये प्रॉब्लम इतना बड़ा नहीं था क्योंकि हमारा रिलेशनशिप बांग्लादेश के साथ अच्छा रहा है. We have had such conditions wherein Rohingyas from Myanmar have moved into Bangladesh and from Bangladesh they have moved into India also because of the porous borders. And what are border huts? Border huts होते हैं कि along the border districts there will be commercial spaces, ठीक है, wherein you can buy and sell the produce of that area in your local currency. So India can do it in Indian currency, Bangladesh can do it in Bangladeshi currency. But और ये border hut, you can imagine कि ये commercial areas ऐसे होंगे जहाँ पे कि goods commodities exchange किए जा सकते हैं. There can be exchange of currencies also. ठीक है? The idea of creation of border hut was कि ये सारे area को हम लोग develop कर पाएंगे. ठीक है? So porous borders and border hut ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आई वुड से कि अब तक अगर पोरस बॉर्डर्स थोड़े बहुत थे भी तो ये इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम नहीं था जितना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम अब हो जाएगा when Pakistan will also start entering into Bangladesh and it will allow easy movement of terrorists into India. ठीक है? Then medical cooperation, Bangladesh is seeking medical cooperation in India. हमारे यहाँ 35% of the medical tourists 35% of India's medical tourists are coming from Bangladesh. So एक बहुत बड़ा chunk of population we might lose out. ठीक है? Then we also have infrastructural projects such as Agartala-Akhara rail link. ठीक है? Then this is अच्छा हाँ, then we have Parvatipur to Siliguri pipelines, gas pipeline है एक बड़ा gas pipeline that we were developing from Parvatipur in Bangladesh to Siliguri in West Bengal. ठीक है? ये दोनों एरिया को कनेक्ट करके हम लोग gas we were trying to sell to Bangladesh. Another very important project was that of electricity. कि झारखंड में there is a place called Godda and whatever Adani would produce at Godda electricity plant would be sold to the range of approximately 100 megawatts. इतना बड़ा huge amount of energy we were selling to Bangladesh. Now all these projects are at stake. ठीक है? इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि we have made certain investments. Point number one, जो current economic investment है वो तो stake पे चला ही जाएगा. But if it goes into the wrong hands, let's say the project is completed and it goes into the wrong hands or the non-state actors, तो यही relationship जो होगा, this would turn out to be, I would say, the wound. This will grow and not only spoil India-Bangladesh relationship, it will spoil Bangladesh also to a great extent. ठीक है? तो ये सारा हमारा current projects है with respect to Bangladesh, or rather I would say current engagements with respect to Bangladesh, which is currently not looking at good condition, favorable condition में नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है because of the current interim government's exchange of words with the foreign minister as well as their engagements, growing relationship between China and Pakistan. ठीक है? With that, we come to the end of this video. If you have any doubt, please do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much and all the very best.